Okay, Lily, it's time to put on your apron.
Thank you, Mom.
Just a minute, we'll eat those when we're all done. If you do a good job today, Lily, you're going to get to earn a chocolate badge. I know, and when you do it a good job, we'll put it right on your apron, right there. Okay, you ready to make some chocolate? Yeah? Okay, let's put your apron on. Good job.
There's no more in that one.
And I'll tie it. Good job. Hold still. Very nice. Now, this is your special, thank you. This is your special knife, okay? I put your name on it. Lily. Very nice, huh? Now, this knife, you cannot cut yourself with it. Give me your finger. Are you bleeding? No. It is sharp and pointy, but it will not cut you. Okay, this is your special knife. You put your hand on the handle, and to make our chocolates, we need to first make these a little bit smaller. So you're gonna use your knife, you're gonna push down, and you're gonna try to make little chocolate pieces like that. Okay?
So I could eat?
Honey, if you eat all the chocolate, then you won't have any chocolate, like candy, to make and eat. You can't eat it all. Okay? Can you cut the chocolate with your knife? Push. Mm-hmm.
Mom, I don't want that help.
Good job.
Oops.
It's okay. It's supposed to be cut. Keep going.
I bet I'll cut it with my teeth.
That means you eat it. No. Lily.
See?
No.
Yeah, that one's small.
Good job. Lily. Cut. That's your like fourth piece of chocolate. Cut them into little bits, okay? With your knife.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. And when you're done cutting them, can you do me a favor and put them in your bowl? Keep going, keep going. You have to push hard. Let me show you. Put your hand here.
It looks like a magnet.
Oh, the circles look like little magnets?
Yeah.
Now push down hard. Like that. Good. Keep going. Push hard. You got it. You did it. Good girl. Yay. You're doing it. Nope. Good job.
Uh-oh.
Another one. We're not going to have any chocolates. Okay. They're pretty small. I'm going to put them in your bowl and we're going to... No, thank you. Might as well just eat it now.
Mm-mm. No, you don't eat it. You can't eat it now.
Got it? Put it in your bowl.
Mm-mm.
No.
I want to take a little bite. No. Yummy.
Are you eating all the sprinkles? Oh. Oh my goodness.
Ah.
Come here. Come here. You're full of sprinkles. You crazy kid. Come here. Lily. That's enough. I should not have left this out for you. Your mouth is covered in chocolate and sprinkles. Come here. Really? I'm gonna get you. All right.
Mommy, come on.
Chocolate.
No rainbow, yeah.
Delicious. There. Okay.
Yay! It's ready.
See how it's doing.
Yeah. My ovens. My time. When it's time. When it's time to put it in the oven.
Let me fix your stool.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Mommy cat. Mommy cat. Look at my. Can I?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut the corner, and then what you have to do is squeeze the chocolate over top of your dinosaur mold. Okay, and then once we use all the chocolate, we will go back and add the sprinkles. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, nope, you're gonna need those to squeeze because the bag is still a little bit hot. Got it?
Got it. Are we going to squeeze it out?
Mm-hmm. Ready?
Mm.
There it goes. New dinosaurs. Go to another one. Oh, goodness. Keep going. Oh, my. This one?
Oh.
Whoa. Ah! Oh, goodness. And now we have chocolate on our mittens. That's okay, though. Here, why don't you put your hands on top of mine? Okay, tell me where to go.
This one.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's water hot.
it is. Put your hands on mine, darling. Which one next? This one? Got it. Next. Good. Then that one? That one? This one. There's a lot of dinosaurs. Hold on. Let me get more chocolate. Okay, ready? Put your hand on mine. Are you ready to squeeze? Not so hot anymore? Oh no! What do we do?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. How is it?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah. Look, and Elsa make chocolate too.
Anna and Elsa make chocolate too?
Yeah.
I bet it's delicious. Okay.
But the water frozen.
Because we have to put it in the freezer. Yeah, we will. Let's use a spatula. Can you say spatula?
Spatula.
Let's use a spatula and spread the chocolate around your dinosaurs.
I'll do it.
Yep, just put it in your dirty hand. Yep, that's great.
No,
And then you spread it. Can you do it?
I don't need help.
Okay.
We do it like this, Mommy.
Good.
Oh, look at that for that.
Don't lick it. No, we're not done. We're not done. Keep going, keep going. Spread it all nice and good.
But yeah, yeah.
All right, we'll turn it this way. It's kind of like painting.
But I need to put on my chocolate back.
What do you think?
Are you seeing this?
Are you finished? Do you like the way it looks? Okay, let's put that down. Good thing this apron's washable. Lily, can you put the spatula down? We're gonna add the sprinkles now. Lily, that's enough. Get rid of that spatula. Lil, put it down. You're gonna get a tummy ache. Oh dear, you got some on me. Good job. And
Got everything. It's okay.
you got it everywhere, huh? All right, now we have to put the sprinkles on. I'll hold the container and you take your spoon and go doo, 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 doo. Yep, move them all over. You can use your spatula to spread if it'll help. Okay, use your spatula. I think that's enough sprinkles.
Chocolate over here.
Use your spatula and spread it over. Just like that. Yep.
Oh, spatula.
Oh. Okay, put the spatula down. Put it down, Lily. Okay, now you have to be a good listener in order to earn your chocolate badge. Okay, now it's time to do a little bit of cleanup and get these in the freezer. You have a sprinkle on your nose. You're a mess. Put that in your pocket, please. No, we're not cutting the dinosaurs.
No.
Lily, put that down. You 3-year-old goober. Give me. Put it down. Do you want your chocolate badge? Put it down. All right, you did a good job making chocolate. So now you get your chocolate badge. Where do you want it on your apron? Right there by the chocolate? How about up here? Is this okay? Dun, 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 dun. You now know how to make
Chocolate.
chocolate. Good job. Can I have a chocolate kissy? Good job. Yay. Okay. We'll take this off and next time we'll do another project.
Next time we can eat the chocolate.
Yes, we'll eat the chocolate and next time, why don't you pick what you want to make next time? That's kitchen safety expert. That means you have to show me how to be very safe in the kitchen when we're cooking. That one's cupcakes. You want to make cupcakes next? Cupcakes? Okay. Hand me cupcakes, and this will be what we do next time, okay? Good job, Lily.
And we have to clean the house too.
Yes, that is kitchen cleaning crew. That means you gotta help me clean all this up if you want to earn that kitchen badge.
And how to make Daddy's piece breakfast.
Eggs. You can make Daddy some eggs.
I know how to make Daddy some pizza.
And pizza.
I know how to make pie too.
A pie. Very, very good, Lily.
And I know how to make
Waffles.
And
Quesadilla.
quesadilla. And
Donuts.
donuts.
Ooh.
And lollipops.
Candy, yeah. What's that?
Daddy.
Spaghetti. And tacos.
Tacos. Ice cream. And
Farm to table.
farm to table.
Bread.
Bread.
Measuring master.
And
Guacamole.
no, kiwi.
It looks like kiwi, but it's actually guacamole. Do you know what these are?
Crystal.
And
A smoothie drink.
good job. Pretzels and smoothie and
Cookie.
popsicles,
Waffles,
pancakes,
pancakes,
peanut butter and jelly.
peanut butter and jelly.
Wow, you have a lot of cooking to do.
Yeah.
Which one do you want to do next?
I don't know. I want to make all of these. I want popsicles.
Popsicles? Okay, we can do that.
And I want to eat it all.
Of course you do. Good job today, honey.